And while still on the rugby gear, I know for Shujaa, and this is the Kenya Sevens side, they are also trying as much as possible to make a statement of their own. But for them, it is in the Olympics. Getting the Olympics ticket was very, very critical for them. But now, getting a medal at the Olympics is a quest that they are trying to achieve. The players, I know the likes of Asati, the likes of Herman Humwa, they have been very, very busy trying as much as possible to shape up, sharpen their arsenal, make all statements that they can be able to make as they get ready for their opening tie. Now they're saying, we are in Miramas, in France, trying as much as possible to be ready, and we believe that the result will come the Kenyan way.
Of course, this will be the weather in Olympics. We have to adapt as early as possible in these summer conditions. Yeah, and having our final preparation. This week, we're intensifying the training. As next week, we tone it down as we head into the competition week. Yeah.
You are
ready.
Transiting into 15s, of course, transiting to sevens, of course, sevens has a lot of space where I can express myself as compared to 15s, where I'm more of a distributor. So sevens, I think, favors me in terms of, yeah, having more space to express myself and play making the team. Yeah. As far as my position is concerned, I'm the whole playmaker of the team. So whenever I get lost in the team, that means the team is lost. So I have to adapt in whatever challenge the team gets. Of course, Olympics is the highest sporting pinnacle event in the world. So I feel more grateful. First of all, participating in it, that's an honor. So, yeah, I think I'm highly honored to represent my country in the Olympics.
Morale is high in the camp?
Very high. Everyone is excited as we have more first-timers in the team. So the morale is so high in the team. And, yeah, we have to figure out how we're going to channel the energy towards the game. We faced Samoa in the Madrid tournament. Argentina and Australia, we've not faced them this season. But we, on a technical approach, we'll figure out on how to approach the matches as we take one match at a time.
Before you recoil, ready? Feet.
It all boils down to the basics. Rugby is more considered as a basic game. The tackling is so basic, you get your positioning right. And yeah, the technical aspects, getting the positioning right, how you get to maneuver in the field. That's what favors me a lot.
The weather condition in Miramas, like here, it's very good because at least it's sunny, and playing rugby in sunny weather. Since it's summer, it's very nice, and the boys are adapting to it. This is our second training session, and we've kicked the ground running, and we're feeling good about it. Yeah. As a team, mostly we are focusing on our defense and technical aspects in kickoffs and set pieces, and just making sure our nitty-gritties are good and studying the opposition well, especially Australia and Argentina, since we've not played them this season. I can say the young lads are up for the task, and they're really cooperating in terms of training, and they're feeling really, really confident being here. And just telling them it's a game like any other. It's just your mindset when you get into the pitch, and I'm sure they're really ready for this Olympic. For the fans, they usually play a very key part in making sure that the mood and the psyche for the team is up. If you notice, Kenya is usually the number one support base apart from the team that is hosting the Rugby 7. So the fans usually play a very big role, and in Paris we want them, all the people like Kenyans around Europe, not only in France, to come and share the boys. For me, the Olympics is it's a dream come true, and especially playing in my second Olympic. The first one was during COVID. I didn't get to experience the real Olympics because there were many restrictions. But right now, being here and playing for the Kenya Shujaa, it's a really good feeling, and I'm truly honored to be here. I have a cousin of mine who is called Gilbert Osure. He's a sprinter, so he's the one who even motivated me, because there's a time he was trying to get into the Olympics. So being here, it's a blessing.
Now, when you think about these players, then they have a statement, one of which they will try to make at the Olympics. Not the first time for Kenya to take part in the Olympics of rugby, but maybe it will be the first time for them to get that gold medal. Will it happen? We wait and see. But under bling, actually, and this is Kelvin Wambua, some positives, very, very big positives coming to the party. Now, talking about coming to the party, today we had a different